going back almost a couple of questions ago, so many liberal Jews believe that the only reason Christians support Israel is it's another step toward, the second coming of Jesus. How would you explain to, I guess, any kind of Jew this movement over here, and that it is not a subplot of people infiltrating Judaism as another step toward bringing Jesus into Judaism? How would you explain this fantastic movement over here?
Let me lay this all out for you. Fellow born in the United Kingdom, his name is John Nelson Darby. He came here to the United States and he had a new message. And that message fundamentally is that the Jews are chosen, and the greatest mistake the church made was propagating the notion of replacement theology. Okay? He came here to America, a lawmaker from Kansas named Cyrus Schofield believed it, made a Bible commentary, changed the landscape of Christianity in America. Americans were very receptive to this because America saw the Jews in themselves. America was a philo-Semitic country, and its core fundamental beliefs and tenets of what makes this country great is its affection for the Judaic principles that hopefully it will not abandon. It also despised the Church of England for reasons I don't need to explain. So they saw it on them. Now, evangelical Christians believe that the only way America can be blessed is by blessing Israel. Okay? They really believe that. If anyone tells you they don't really believe that, they're not telling you the truth. They believe that the promise of Genesis chapter 12, verse 3, I will bless those who bless you and curse those who curse you, really literally applies to the Jewish people. They believe that. Okay? So they support Israel and the Jewish people are national aspirations, not religious, but national aspirations, because they believe the Bible says so. They are genuinely believe that. They also believe, in addition to that, separate, we'll connect it at the end, they also believe that Jesus' second coming is hinged on the conversion of the Jews, the Jewish return to the land of Israel where the final war takes place, the War of Armageddon, which is a complete misunderstanding of a whole bunch of passages in everywhere, famously Zechariah 13. I'm not going to go into it. So they believe that the return of the Jews to the land of Israel is messianic, and they're right about that. The end time war they're very mixed up on, but whatever, let that go. Now, here's where I want to go with this. So at this point, I've said that they're very sincere about this, and they are. These are premillennial dispensationalists. Premillennial dispensationalism, this idea that I've just conveyed to you, is not everything they believe in. They believe in a whole bunch of other things besides what I told you. But this is what is germane to your question. Now, they then will weaponize their Zionism and their love for Israel in order to evangelize Jews. Follow? Meaning they will then say to a potential convert, we're nothing like the Christians you knew that persecuted the Jewish people. We have nothing to do with the Catholic Church. We have nothing to do with Luther. We have nothing to do with Calvin. All of them believe in replacement theology because we love the Jewish people, and a real Christian has to love the Jewish people. Right? So what evangelical Christians are doing is they are linking them, not at the base, but at the top, and weaponizing their Zionism and their love for Israel and genuine support for Israel in order to convert the Jews to Christianity. So they're independent, but then it's exploited by the church, and that's what we are witnessing to the horror of Jewish communities worldwide.